gone when I miss you. You roll with the blame with the wrist now. When me turn you and twist you, me get a different state of mind. The law said for this you. Policeman a search me to miss you. Better than carry me go live in a jail. If loving you is a crime. You love it when you roll up. You look good in a division when you pull up.
Good morning, team Ismash. How is everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. So in today's installment, you already know we're going on a cruise. I briefed you guys in the last vlog, and today is the day. So yeah, what I would like for you guys is to not call me Ismash today, but Mr. Ismash. But yeah, I'm kinda late. So I'm gonna finish, get ready, which includes doing my hair, brushing it of course, and finish packing. Team Ismash, let's get it. Come on, let's go. Yo, go watch my last vlog. Just uploaded. See it here. Outfit of the day. MCE. Yeah. Okay. I see you. Females be like, I see you. No, check your DM. Anyways, yeah, when I always see me with the backpack, like I bought it to do the vlogging thing, so this is where my camera will be kept. So now I always see me with this, and yeah, you see, I'm a very simple, humble, and honest guy, so this is how I dress. I don't have the guapa like that to be all in Gucci, you know, that's good stuff, but we kinda in a good thing them, you know? You good thing them, if I say that, go. Yeah, Team Ismash. Woo! Let's get it. We have arrived. Okay. So guys, we're on our way to Carnival Victory. On our way on the ship. So we're just going to whatever maze this is, I don't know. Probably you engineers can tell me. Yeah. Carnival cruise. I'm excited, but I'm not really excited. I don't know how to describe it. Well, yeah, I'm just hope for the best. First time on a ship. Let's get it. So guys, if you're on the cruise and you want to find me, this is my room. Okay. So this is it. That's your boy again. Welcome to mi casa. My familia. Small but banana choice. Who that? So why a door leads to as I was gonna say, that doesn't make any sense. So this is it from another angle. It's about, I'm gonna need the dimensions. It's about 8 by 12 feet. 8 by 12 feet. And this is our little view. Wait, I'm turning on the brightness for you guys. I don't wanna blind you guys. This is our view, where we're gonna see dolphins, whales, shark, everything aquatic. So yeah guys, we're currently on the boat now looking for somewhere to dine. Everybody hungry. And yeah, so far I do not like the ambience of this ship. Hey, this is quack. So I want to make it to the top to see what's on the top of the boat, and then we'll take it from there. I want to swim, but probably tomorrow. Oh, so can we go on top of the ship? Oh, where does it go?
So we can come in here to like to party and stuff, like.
Top floor and done, bro. I don't like the ambulance, boy. All the main doors are closed. Show this. So some tribal thing. Colonial.
Internet access. Yep, here. Lord help me.
So guys, you're entering the dining area, but as you can see, it's unoccupied. We're downstairs.
Yeah, they go right there.
Ooh. So if you have never been in a ship before, this is what it's like. It's almost like Indian thing. You turn this up. Let's go. We're touring, and the tour continues. T-Man Smash. Oh, she's sexy, mommy. You bad. So we have finally made it to the top. And so far it's amazing. That's like a kid's pool thing. Yeah. Hey, ready to have fun, Mom? Tumba! Yes, Yardman tune there, brother. 10 out of 10. Yardman tune there, brother. Yardman tune there. What a one.
It's not all you heard. Everything hiring, man. Everything gotta be
Yeah. Nice camera, man. Let us smile for you. So guys, I got myself a wrap. It's a shrimp wrap. Yeah. And apparently I'm getting this as well. So yeah, I'm gonna dive in. Carnival victory. This is the oh my G. Oh no, this caught me by surprise. Like, this is scary. When I do right here, so the camera, like the first and only thing you think about, what if the camera falls? Like, yo, that is the abyss. But yeah, if it's windy, don't mind that. But this is awesome, bro. Another ship is down there. So I don't know. I think that is NCL or something like that. But this is Miami. Honestly, guys, yo, I would advise anybody if you can do this. Just the vibe, brother. Just the synergy we have with everybody around you, the ship itself. It is crazy, bro. Crazy. Super. Yo, where are my friends at? Yo, Juvan, Janet, where everybody there, brother? Like, this is Miami, bro. Yo, DJ Cali, where you at? I'm here, boy.
officially on vacation. Make some noise.
Yeah.
And your vacation begins in 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, yeah, ladies and gentlemen, it's party time! Hello, Carnival Victory! I said hello! We want you on the dance floor, come on! It's time to go! All in the air, keep moving forward, and lift it there. And turn! All in everywhere! Bring it back!
Miami. So yeah, this vlog just entails me. This vlog just entails like being on the ship, going on the ship, departing, and yeah, I'm gonna conclude this vlog right now. So if you guys want to see what we're doing for another 2-3 days, you can just subscribe. Just stay tuned, you guys. It's gonna be an awesome weekend. Team Ismash. Hope you guys like the video, the vlog before this and also this vlog. And I'm signing out. Team Ismash. Thanks for watching this vlog.
Side to side as we sing. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Hey,
Hey,
one more time, say na 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 na. Na 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 na. Say it.
goodbye.
Good job, ladies and gentlemen. Yes. Let's keep the party going, everybody. Let's try some Cupid Shuffle.